The goal for this tutorial is to discuss about reverse osmosis and osmosis. So in this figure, in the blue color there are solvent. We have taken here water. Okay, and the solvent present in the right hand side is equal to the solvent present in the left hand side. That is, the concentration of are equal, so they can move easily from solvent of the left hand side can be easily moved to the solvent or to the right hand side, and the solvent from the right hand side can be easily moved to the left hand side. So if we add some impurities or some we call as it as solute, solute like sugar in it, but adding the less amount of sugar in LHS, but adding the more amount of sugar in RHS. So ultimately the concentration of sugar in the right hand side will be increases than the concentration of sugar in the left hand side. Okay, and this in the yellow color, it is semi permeable membrane. Semi permeable membrane. Okay, which does not allow solute to pass through it. It can only allow the solvent to pass through it. That is why it is called as semi permeable. Okay, so ultimately on the right hand side there is this solute will fix in this gap because it is quite larger. To visualize you, I have drawn it larger. Okay, and the solute at the left hand side will push the solvent of the solvent water, that is this, to the right hand side. So this solvent will start to moving at right hand side. Okay, so in the osmosis it is that the water molecule is moving to from less concentration of the solute to the higher concentration of the solute. Concentration of solute to higher concentration of solute. Okay, but in the reverse osmosis it is totally different. In the reverse osmosis, here the concentration of solute is greater than here, but we have applied a pressure in this pressure is greater than osmosis pressure. This pressure, so the solute particle will remain at this side, and all the water molecule, that is this is salt water, all the water molecules will go from higher concentration of solute to lower concentration of solute to lower concentration of solute. Okay, in osmosis the lower concentration of solute to higher concentration of solute, but in the reverse osmosis the solvent is moving from the higher concentration of solute to the lower concentration of the solute. So this is all about the reverse osmosis and the osmosis.